Hello mga bay, have a good day to everyone. We are going to unbox my first hunting rifle, and this is my first time, and we are going to unbox this thing. And here we go. This gun, Tikka. Alright. Here is my first hunting rifle. Okay. So we have here the brick barrel. And here is the other thing here. And the hook for the sling also here. What else? The unlock for the trigger lock. All right. So yeah, I am very excited about this because this is my first one. So we are going to unlock this. And before I proceed mga bay, please subscribe to my channel and please help me to hit 1K subscriber just to make a regular into a YouTube. I'm very thankful if you do that mga bay. I appreciate very much. Alright. This is safety, and if you release the safety, seems like that. And we try to put the brake barrel. This is threaded already mga bay. Alright. Oh, very soft. We're not going to introduce the gun and together with the ammo because that's not good mga bay. We separate the intro to introduce the ammo. So for now we do not have ammo in here. Alright? Just for safety reason. So maybe the ammunition I gonna put here in picture, add into the video. For now mga bay, just only the gun. We don't have scope for now, so maybe soon mag-ipon muna tayo and then kabili tayo ng scope. Kasi medyo mamahalin din yung scope. It's about 500 or more. How we are going to open this? Here is our trigger lock mga bay. So we have a lock in the trigger and we have the lock into the box, into the case. Alright, this is secured mga bay. The trigger lock. So ito mga bay, safety na to. At saka, and then mga bay. So itabi natin to. Meron na akong nabiling box niya. Okay na? Makalak din to. Bili tayo mga bay ng, so i-open natin, case ng ating barelo. Peace. Alright. Bigyan mo ko discount. Bye. I think this is it. Hopefully mga bison, makabili na tayo
Kailan ko ng ano?
telescope sight niya, yung scope niya dito. Mag-ipon muna
Bili
tayo.
naman ng
So please mga bay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Help me hit help me hit 1,000 subscriber. So I'm very appreciated very much if you subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat mga bay. At sana makakaabot tayo ng 1,000 subscriber mga bay. Thank you. Abangan yung mga iba ko pang video about this gun. So hopefully makabili agad tayo ng scope para mai-practice na natin to, mai-target, mai-shooting na natin, mai-zero or kukunin yung target niya. Sorry for the sinsya na yung bulol-bulol na magsasalita. Hindi tayo sanay sa ganyan. So sanay din tayo sa kalaunan mga bay. So ayan.
So trigger is lock. The box also there is a lock also. And the gun and the ammunition are not together for safety reason.
Thanks for watching mga bay. Bye bye.